Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Now, we are tracking some very widely scattered showers and even a few thunderstorms on Live Doppler 2 HD. We'll have those around through the early evening up till about sunset or shortly thereafter. And then activity should really start to diminish. Some nice summer weather on the way for Thursday and Friday. And then on Saturday, it looks like some warmer conditions moving in, a little more humidity. Dragons 5K will start getting a little more humid, but still not too bad in the morning. And then we'll see some scattered showers and thunderstorms back in the area on Sunday. A little more coverage, a little higher probability of you ending up with some rain from that. 82 degrees at 7 o'clock. We expect some scattered showers, chance of thunder. That'll be the pattern through about 9 o'clock. Also, if you're in the rain, you're going to be a lot cooler than these numbers. And 72 degrees at 11 p.m. as we start to get back to mostly clear skies. 67 at 8 a.m., mostly sunny, and then partly cloudy at noon, 78, 83 at 5 p.m. And humidity not bad, should be pretty nice. Dragons 5K coming up Saturday, early in the morning, 64. And once it gets around 8 o'clock, partly cloudy skies, and expect temperatures around 9 o'clock, about 70. And toward the end of the run there at about 10 o'clock or so, we're expecting temperatures in the mid-70s with a little bit more humidity. Low temperatures tonight dropping down towards 60 degrees, northern part of the Miami Valley. Looks like low to mid-60s in the southern half of our viewing area. And then high temperatures tomorrow afternoon, making it up to about 82 in Troy, 81 Springfield, Sydney, Greenville, 80 degrees in Urbana. We should max out around 83 with about 82 in Xenia and Eaton. High temperatures Friday, low to mid-80s, and still the humidity won't be too bad. The Bryant Heating and Cooling Systems camera time lapse. Clouds starting to get a little darker there, starting to get a little more buildups. But still not much in the way of rain there on the north side of town, up on I-75 around Poe Avenue. Severe weather outlook this evening, just a marginal risk of a damaging wind gust. That'd be the primary threat, maybe some hail in some of the northern counties there, especially Mercer, Auglaize, Shelby, Logan counties. And we're actually tracking a couple of thunderstorms around Versailles, moving southeast toward Russia. In the southwest corner of Shelby County, moving into northwest Miami County along 185, heading southeast toward Piqua and also Covington, Bradford. You're going to catch some of that rain too. And Marion, Indiana, looks like a shower, thunderstorm there, and that's moving east-southeast as well. We have had some warnings, but mainly up around the Cleveland and Akron area with those storms this evening. And this low pressure center passes by, then high pressure builds in for a couple of days of nice weather. Right now, 84, west-northwest wind at 12 miles per hour. Heat index matching the air temperature. Most of the readings tonight you can see in the mid to upper 80s, but Jeff Cador and Bell Center at 68 with 3/10 of an inch of rain from one of those thunderstorms that passed through. Let's go ahead and check out that forecast. Tonight, spotty evening shower thunderstorm, then partly cloudy overnight with a low temperature of 62. Tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny, a pleasantly warm day, 83 for that afternoon high temperature. Nice weather Friday, upper 50s in the morning with a high of 84. Warmer, more humid Saturday, 87. We'll have a pretty good chance of thunderstorms Sunday and Monday, and then hotter weather early next week on Tuesday and Wednesday. Brooke?